Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and well. In today's class, we are going to study about the continuous tense. Continuous tenses. The continuous tense shows an action that is, that was, or that will be in progress at a certain time. The action that is, that was, or that will be in progress will be continuing for some time is called is called the continuous tenses. The continuous tense is formed with the verb be plus ing form of the verb. Continuous tenses we form with the verb be. B type verbs. What are B type verbs? In present tense we use is, am, are. Past tense we use was, were. Future we use will be or shall be. These are the B type verbs plus ing form of the verb. In the previous classes already I have explained you about the different forms of verbs. What are the different forms of verbs? Again we'll repeat. Base form, which is also known as present tense form, past tense form, past participle form, yes or es form, and ing form. So, in all the continuous tenses, we use ing form of the verb. The main verb carries the ing. And helping verbs, we use be type verbs. These are is, am, are, was, were. Dear children, there are three kinds of continuous tenses. First one is the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. I am writing here the short form of continuous. Second is the past continuous tense. And third one is the future continuous tense. Clear? There are three continuous tenses: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and the future continuous tense. And dear children, let's see. In present continuous tense, the be type verbs we use is, am, or are plus ing form of the verb. In past continuous tense, we use was or were. And in future continuous tense, we use will be or shall be plus ing form of the verb. All these are the B type verbs, different forms of B type verbs. Let's see, in present continuous we use is, am, are. In past continuous we use was, were, and in future continuous we use will be or shall be. So, the present continuous can be used to show an action which is happening at the time of speaking. The action, ongoing action which is continuing at the time of speaking. I am teaching you right now. I am teaching. The action which is going on at the time of speaking. For example, one more example. I am having dinner at the moment. I am teaching. I am having dinner. All these are the continuous, present continuous tense. The past continuous can be used to show an action which was happening in the past. Past continuous is used to show an ongoing action. Action started in the past and it continued for some times in the past. Clear? That is called past continuous tense. For example, we can say, I was teaching yesterday. The action of teaching took place yesterday and yesterday is past and it continued for some time. I was teaching you yesterday. So, The third one is the future continuous tense is used to show that an action will be happening at a time in the future. Future continuous tense indicates the action which will take place in the future and it will continue for some time. Clear? An ongoing action in the future that is expressed by using the future continuous tense. So always remember, continuous tense is an ongoing action which is continuing for some time, which is in progress for some time. Present continuous tense means the action is going on at the time of speaking. Past continuous means action took place in the past and it continued for some time. And in the future, action will take place in the future and will continue for some time. So the most important thing is to remember the different forms of be verbs in different continuous tenses. And with all the continuous tenses, the main verb is always in main verb we always use in ing form. Clear? Now, some of the examples I will tell you with I will read out. I will not write on the board. You just listen and try to understand. By using the verb run. By using the verb run. He is running right now. Is running. Beta, is, am, are also we use according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we use is. If the subject is I, we use am. If the subject is plural in number, we use are. He is running right now. Is present continuous tense. He is singular subject, so is we have used. Running, ing form we use in continuous tenses. He was running when I saw him yesterday. He was running when I saw him yesterday. The action took place yesterday. Clear? And he will be running tomorrow morning. Action will take place in the future and action of running will continue for some time. Okay. Now one more example, let's see. By using the verb watch. I am watching a really good film now. Action of watching is going on. With I, we always use am. I was watching a really good film when there was a power cut. I was watching. It indicates the past continuous action. I will be watching my favorite TV show when you arrive tomorrow. That action will take place in the future. So it is future continuous tense. So I hope, dear children, you understood what is continuous tense and what are the different kinds of continuous tenses. The different kinds of continuous tenses are present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. And what is the structure? Structure is be type verb plus ing form of the verb. And these are the different be type verbs which we use with different continuous tenses. I hope all of you understood this much. Revise this chapter and learn all the exercises given in the book. Thank you.